Poe AI provides a revolutionary unified interface that allows developers to access multiple AI models like Claude and GPT through a single API key. This eliminates the complexity of managing different API keys for each AI provider. To get started with Poe AI, you first need to create an account. Visit poe.com and sign up using your email address, Google account, or Apple account. After creating your account, you must verify your email address and upgrade to a paid subscription. API access is only available to paid subscribers, as it provides access to premium AI models and higher usage limits. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Settings section and then to API Keys. This is where you will generate and manage your API authentication credentials. In the API Keys section, click on Generate New API Key. You will be prompted to give your key a descriptive name that helps you identify its purpose, such as production app or development testing. This is critical. Your API key will be displayed only once for security reasons. You must copy and store it immediately in a secure location. Consider using environment variables or a secure credential management system. Finally, set appropriate permissions and restrictions for your API key. You can limit usage by setting rate limits, restrict access to specific models, or configure other security parameters based on your application's needs. Your API key is now ready for use. This key will authenticate all your requests to the Poe AI API, giving you access to multiple AI models through a single unified interface. Keep it secure, and you're ready to start building with AI. Now that you have your Poe AI API key, it's time to integrate it into your applications. The Poe AI API uses standard HTTP requests with JSON formatting, making it straightforward to implement in any programming language. The integration process follows a simple HTTP request and response pattern. You send a POST request to the Poe API endpoint with your authentication headers and message data, and receive a JSON response containing the AI model's reply. Let's examine a complete Python example that demonstrates how to make a request to the Poe AI API. This example shows the essential components: importing the requests library, setting up authentication headers, and structuring the request data. The headers section is crucial for authentication. You must include your API key in the authorization header using the bearer token format. The content type header tells the server you're sending JSON data. The data section contains your request payload. You specify which AI model to use, in this case Claude 3 Sonnet, and provide your messages in a structured format with role and content fields. Finally, you make the POST request to the Poe API endpoint, passing your headers and JSON data. The API will process your request and return a response containing the AI model's generated text. Here's an example of what an actual HTTP request and response looks like in practice. This shows the JSON format that the API uses for communication, with structured data containing the AI model's response. Remember these essential points for successful integration. Always include your API key in the authorization header, use the correct content type for JSON data, structure your messages with proper role and content fields, and handle the JSON response appropriately in your application. With this basic integration pattern, you can start building applications that leverage the power of multiple AI models through the unified Poe AI API. The standardized format makes it easy to switch between different models while maintaining consistent code structure.